Then we need to get Ron up here. These Christmas ones. We need to put Ron. The Holy Spirit is in the room. John is on the stage. Okay, you're just going to have it. Okay. We're going to do 5 slides. We're going to do 5 slides. So let's just recap some of the things that happened. We had spying last night. There was some rain. There's horses. We got the high ropes.
We played some really cool games of manure.
We played cool horse poop games.
We rolled in the ground and you kicked manure on all the students.
I did not kick manure on all the students. Only the ones that were in front of me.
Okay. And the ones that were laying down.
Yeah, I got to tell you this. The funny thing was, there's like 2 piles of horse manure where we're playing, right? And I accidentally kicked some on some people.
Accidentally.
Yeah. So Andrea says, okay. We're going to move away from these 2 piles. Let's go down the hill. Down the hill, it's all horse manure.
It's just patted down.
All the kids are rolling in horse manure, like totally covered. Andrea did a better job than I did of getting poop on.
She just laughed. She just laughed.
Yeah, but like, this is bad. Oh, it's so funny. Don't bother, I'm pregnant. Okay, what else did we do? We had some excellent meals.
We did.
Great praise and worship.
High ropes.
High ropes. The speaker wasn't that bad. What else? Okay, he was okay.
Improv group.
Really? Improv group. Really?
Okay, so you got a lot of material work to
Okay, so you guys had a lot. Okay, so this is going to be the slideshow that is presented to your parents, because I'm assuming it was your parents that paid for this trip. And really? Hey, see, you guys have motor treatment, but you got to pay for all your own stuff. That's a lot. Right, guys, ready?
move right here, guys.
Okay.
John, you just move right there.
I gotta stand up here. I'll stand. Oh, you're finished. Where am I gonna stand?
Right here. Right here.
If I stand here, then this whole section can't see that. How about over here? Is this okay? All right. Welcome to the follow-up for the CRC Eastern League retreat to Circle Square Ranch. We are very, very happy that the ladies group has given us lots of bull cookie to eat while we watch the slideshow. Now the first slide is called, we had a great time by the way, the first slide is called Making It to Circle Square Ranch. Click! Yes, there was lots of excitement. There was lots of excitement. Some of the leaders hadn't seen each other in so long that they actually wanted to get physical with each other. Then they remembered the PDA rule and John beat him off. Click. So once all the leaders got together and we figured out, hey, where are you sleeping? Where are you sleeping? And all the rules of the camp, and we had some good snacks over at the cafeteria. Then we really got into the spirit of the evening. Click. And this slide is called Getting It Together. And wow. We talked about some activities, and we talked about some piggybacking races, and everyone said, hey, I want to be on Paul's back because he's so big and strong. And so 18 guys got on his back. And Paul had 4 hernias that day. Click. So we're excited about that. There's lots of activities going, of course. And then on the after the Friday night was really late. Of course, the kids stayed up late. And then Saturday there was lots of activities. There was a speaker in the morning, and then in the afternoon there was a whole bunch of activities. Click. This one is called Participation. And wow, what a lot of participation that was. The problem was someone was caught in the high ropes and we were trying to catch the kid that was falling off. And then somebody else thought, hey, let's play rugby while they're doing that. So we're trying to tackle people and knocking them fun in itself. And then one of the kids got constipated, I think. Help him work it out. Those ladies are dedicated to helping the kids live healthy lives. So we're happy about that. And then the great thing about Circle Square Ranch is there's always something exciting to do. So last night we turned off all the lights and there was a spy game that we played. And this one is called I've Got a Secret. The problem was Dave's secret was that Chili doesn't agree with him very much. And nobody could follow him around for a long, long time. Alright. Now this is the last slide. This is the one that's very important because as most of you know, as most of you parents know, you met your husband or wife at a retreat just like this. And this one, this is we were happy to see. Click. This is called Love Blues. Yeah, some of the couples were already fighting like an old married couple. It was really cute. And some of the dating customs from different churches were totally surprising. Some of them got really physical on us, and we had to split them up. And Dave was still having digestive problems.